But I knew better. I knew I didn't want to take that off.
It really scared me, I ain't gonna lie.
Fired up! I can't see a goddamn thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, you good.
Alright. So yeah, we're gonna put on the flex fuel sensor kit. And that's what we're in the process of doing right now. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna time lapse this or just put it on and then show you guys what we had to do in the process, because it's gonna be a lot to film or whatnot. So y'all hang tight.
Next what we gotta do is we gotta put the flex fuel sensor on, but the problem with that is it's hot. I just got over here, so I'm not gonna take that out because then we're gonna get spilled with gas. He gonna get spilled with gas. I'm gonna get out the way.
He gonna get spilled with gas. I'm gonna get out the way.
Got you in the face?
No. I don't know. Probably.
Nah, it didn't.
You don't think so?
Take them off.
Alright, y'all. I got sprayed by the gas, man. I don't know. Y'all gonna see on the sound levels.
I got this part on there for him, but I knew better. I knew I didn't want to take that off.
It really scared me. I ain't gonna lie.
You know, that's why you're supposed to wear goggles when you're working on the vehicles, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck you.
He over there getting high right now for these fumes. What you looking for? Oh, no. Don't pull it. I'll show you get off. But yeah, we got that line on. This little tool right here does come in handy when doing the flex fuel kit.
Really mandatory. So like you want to snatch it off, then you. I don't know if you can though.
You can't snatch that off.
So, yeah,
because it's biting around that ring.
At what side you put it on? So. I guess depending on how you want it to go back though.
The other side didn't clip. There you go. Hold on. All right, show everybody what you just did, bro.
Oh yeah. Okay, so. Okay, so what you do right here? All you gotta do is pick it up. You clip both. You take this part of the one part of the fuel line off right here. Put the new one on. Clip it to the sensor. The one that you took off, all you do is clip that to the sensor on the other side, and then you just kind of set it up back there how you want to. And then you got the harness, which you're gonna put on in a minute. You know what I'm saying? This is your harness right here. You know what I'm saying? So we're doing this in just a little bit.
That harness is plug and play, but you do have to ground it. That's the ground right here. You're holding his right hand.
Yep.
Yeah. So, and that sensor also is a plug and play. I think that's a female. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right. Goes to the evap. No, to the fuel box. What fuse you gotta pull?
38.
When
I guess I can run it through here. Huh?
Hold on, bro. I don't like how you putting stuff in that back there. Oh, shit, don't go. All that back out. Because you could put that line back in here. Man, how you stuff this in here, Joe? No. Do it right. Let me come over there.
Yes, E-word.
Wow.
Oh, no. was hurting chewing this shit.
Where's this going?
What?
That plugs into the evap, right?
Oh yeah, that
And
does.
then you just ground it.
Yeah, you ground this.
You can ground it anywhere. Hold up. This is the one right here. Back in here. Come over there.
Well, fuck around, got the dark quick.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I'm gonna cut those. There you go. He ain't just stuff back there. So, gotta do is just properly secure everything. We're gonna cut those zip ties down. And what you doing over here? Now he gonna go ahead and pull that fuse. Number 38.
Yep. I almost did something. I ain't gonna see them.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna make that the edit for me either. Thought about it though.
I know you did. I saw you.
These tight ass spaces, man. It's crazy.
What you doing?
Pulling the whatchamacallit box open.
Fuse box right there.
Nah, it's a little box below it. No, plug the whatchamacallit into. What the freak is it hung on?
All right, y'all, we're gonna do this last little bit and then we'll get back. Pause it. All right, y'all, so what we had to do was loosen this box up, all right? Because a lot of people don't tell you that, but you gotta loosen that box up in order to snake this ECU plug out. Open the ECU plug up, take the blue pin cover off, and I guess count, what you say, Joe?
38.
38, and that's where the...
Right here. The pin right here in this joint right there. That's what, you know what I'm saying? They go in the 30. Y'all see I got the gloves on too, huh?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But it go in the 38 plug.
All right, so yeah. And this is what, you know, you just pop that out. You know, it goes on one way, pop it out. And these things are fragile, so be careful when popping that out. I do recommend something like this. Not that, this. All right, so.
Explain it to him one time, bro. Explain to my folks, you know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all, so we got the pin in. So let me grab the little flathead. Joe, you mind holding that for me real quick? You ain't chewing no gum, is you? All right, so this is the first row. So you count 3 rows over, 1, 2, 3, and then you start counting here. So you count to 38. So let's see, 34. This first one right here.
That's 33, the first one.
The 33.
Yeah.
All right, so 33. It's hard to see in here. There you go. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 right here. We had so when you get to 38, hold it right there, Joe. Straight. When you get to 38, all you gotta do is pull this pin out. All right, so just get some needle nose pliers, pull that pin out, plug in the flex fuel sensor, and now there is a special way to put it in. So we put it
part
yeah,
on the inside.
Where you can see the wires coming where they had to crimp it.
Yeah.
That's the part you want to put on facing the wires from the first 2 rows.
Yep.
So yeah, and then you just pin it and go from there. I'm gonna do it on yours, man. It's cold out here. My nose is running. Oh, sorry, my peoples.
So now, first of all, you gotta put this joint back on.
Yes, all you gotta do is tuck it though.
Hey, y'all.
No, you need to put that back on first.
Yeah, that's right.
Good.
y'all want more of the actual like technical install, make sure y'all watch this video, cause mine. I'm gonna be real with you. Hey,
I appreciate that.
I was trying to tell you.
I appreciate that.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say
Don't force that. It's going one way.
There you go, right there. I gotta make sure I'm doing the right side. There you go.
Get it pop.
Yeah.
All right.
But yeah, y'all make sure y'all watch his channel, like his video. If y'all want the technical stuff, watch this video. You want the time lapse and all the kind of, I'm your guy. You know what I'm saying? It's cold out here, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Probably a good 42 degrees. I know it was when I was coming over here.
Check the other side first. Yeah.
So he told y'all.
Hey, it's his first time. Hey, you know why? I got respect for my little youngin' because he working on his own car. And he ain't taking it as, he taking my criticism very well when I'm trying to teach him. You know what I'm saying? So, appreciate that, Joe.
Oh, my man's a poon. Ah. There you go. Right. Now it's making sense.
Let me do it.
No, I had to put the one on the outside. I'm falling apart.
Well, you two, y'all ought to be popping and stuff like that.
Yeah, they go down the top of the mook on. Yeah, I thought that.
Ready to plug it back up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You wanna know?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Don't worry about all that. We're gonna do that. No.
I believe it's on them.
Let me check. All right, y'all. So we just got done with that over there. So now, gotta plug up the evap, and then we just gotta ground it. So, I mean, that's the evap plug. If you can see it right here, that right here is the evap plug, and this is just a plug and play. So it goes right in. And for one more time, that is the evap plug. You know what I'm saying? Can you see it?
Yep.
All right. And you ground it. And all it does is plug and play. So I'm guessing when you unplug that,
Plug it in.
yes, it's because it's male to female.
Right.
Yeah. So, all right.
I don't know what this joint here though.
That's the plug that's going to go in.
Oh, so you boom,
Yes.
boom, boom.
Yeah, it's
That boy Joe knows something.
a jumper harness.
Yeah. Jump man harness.
So, yeah. Just go ahead and plug this jump harness up, and now we'll show you how we did it. All right.
23 harness.
All right, y'all. So we just got done with everything, bolting everything up. So we went on ahead and, like I told y'all earlier, go ahead and plug the evap up, plug it to the jumper harness, which is it's kind of dark. There you go, right here. Plug that up, and then we just went on ahead and grounded it to the valve cover, and that's it.
I'll say it like that.
Yeah, I mean, it was a lot of work. It wasn't no that's it. All right. I know, it was a 3-hour job, but when you go back and edit it, it's gonna be a good little 10-15 minute video.
You gotta think we did the flexible sensor and the air intake.
Yeah, that's true. So did a lot today. You know what I'm saying? Got work done.
Hello.
So like I said, man, look at that. Engine bay looking good. So once all this is installed, what you have to do now is go inside the car and just turn the accessories on and let everything run through. Let it cycle through. Let the ECU realize that there has been change to the system. All right. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now. Joe's getting ready to sit inside the car. Go ahead and turn it on.
Yep.
Not fire it up, but let everything run through, cycle through, and then We'll get it going. Got the accessories on.
Yep.
Boy, that boy car smell good.
It do, don't it? It smell like gas and little trees.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. You see how I had to recognize?
Check in what went on.
No fuel leaks. Check for fuel leak on that backside. Are we good? Yeah, we good. No fuel leaks. Hey, one time, first time doing it, no fuel leaks. That's great.
Make sure y'all call J&B
Motorsports.
Link in the description below. You know what I'm saying? But nah, this, I ain't gonna sit here and say, oh my god, I don't hear a whine difference.
Not yet.
You know what I'm saying?
Cause it's not under a load.
Yeah. Maybe when I drive it a little bit.
Oh yeah, no,
About revving one battery.
no check engine light, huh?
About revving one battery. So
Nah, it's not that type of
I'm
stuff.
gonna let y'all hear when I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, this is good.
Yeah, dude. All right, y'all, man. Today/tonight has been a successful night, man. Got my boy the Incredible Joe car done. No check engine light, no fuel leaks, no hiccups. Hey, man, we get stuff done 2020, man. So what we about to do now is wrap it up. My boy got to get home, and hey, got yourself out of there.
The Incredible Joe. If y'all want any my services done, make sure you call J&B Motorsports.
All right.
Link in the description below. We're open every day of the week.
Yep.
We only work for an hour a day, so if you want to get anything done, you don't have much time, so make sure you do it. There you go. But not for real, like, subscribe to the channel. Corey, Mr. 1320. He already gave him a shout out, but go ahead and subscribe to him as well, because he coming up on 1,000 subs, so go ahead and get up there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Watch your videos and get the watch time. And just stay tuned, because he got some stuff coming too.
Oh yeah.
BrownBear got some stuff coming he ain't told y'all about. Male stripping, prostituting, all that.
Boy, here we go. He done got his car done. Every time he gets his car done over here, he get ready to go. He get grand, y'all. He get brand new on me. I ain't gonna hear from him about it for the next 2 days. Watch.
Y'all notice he be wearing his dreads down a lot more than he practice. That old lady in the front with the...
Hey, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, share, and follow me on the Instagram, follow me on the Snapchat, man. Let's get that Instagram followers up, and let's get these YouTube subscribers up. All